So I've got this little piece of wood here, and this is going to be using some other stencils, so you can, I didn't write the links, but you can just write and make note of what we're using tonight, and I will show you. I wanted to use this transfer on something today, so, well, this week. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's have a look. We've got the little lambs. I think they are adorable. Lambs and lilies transfers. So you can get these as well. Look, I haven't cut any out, which means I haven't done this one yet. So I'm really looking forward to it. I've got this cute block of wood, which is, I don't know. Don't even know. Don't ask me how tall it is. Let's see, what are these tags? Maybe 4 by 8-ish, I think. So yeah, a block of wood. So I thought we'd use it this way. Add a lamb here and then add the word Happy Easter to the top, but I didn't want to use the bunny. So I'm just going to use some masking tape and mask that off. Did I bring it out? I thought I did. Where am I not looking? Oh, there it is. So I can just mask that off, or I can use a card to tape it off. So we've got our cute little lambs. Aren't they adorable? I love them too. I think they're just gorgeous. So I'm going to just pop that on this piece of cardboard to let it lose some of its tackiness. And then a little bit here. And rub that over the, put that over the bunny. So then that'll, and I'll probably center that Happy Easter, like so. But let's see where our lamb fits on here, or which one we should choose. So this is the Cottontail mini tags. If you're looking for that one, just type in the search bar Cottontail mini tags. Don't forget to use my code, I restore stuff. And then we are going to make a super quick, easy transfer sign today. So what I did to the background here is I just used a wash, and this is actually the colour Algonquin in the Fusion Mineral Paint range, and a little bit of water. So you just create a paint wash using water and paint, mix them together, and you create that lovely wash look with the wood grain showing. Yana said you missed out on the lambs. They are, darling. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, if you missed out on those, they are still there. Plenty in stock, lambs and lilies. It includes 2 12 by 16 inch sets. Look at those large ones. They're a little too big for my project today, but let's have a look at the smaller ones. This one might fit. Might fit. Let's have a look. Oh, they're just adorable. Just like the bunnies. Remember those big portrait bunnies? They aren't as big, but the lambs are just, oh, they've got that cute little look about them, don't they? Oh, that would look cute. Now, does his ear go over the edge? Oh, maybe just squeezes in. The flowers will go over the edge, and that will go down to the edge. So I'm just feeling my way around here, and then see if our Happy Easter, oh, that would have to go just over the top of the flowers and then fit the happy. The happy might fit. Other option, we've got this cute fella down here. He's sweet too, that might fit a little easier. Oh, look at all those blue hearts. I'm saying it all tonight, aren't I? This one fits a lot nicer, so, and we may have a bit more room. That one just kind of overfills the sign, which can be a fun idea too. This one would add the Easter and then Happy with the little flower on top. We could even, steal a little flower from one of the transfers, like gather one of these flowers and just kind of cut it out and add it on the top too. I've done that kind of thing before. It's a bit fun. So let's have a look. We'll maybe add our transfer first. So we'll center that to here and then center that Happy Easter to the top. See how that goes. The standing lamb might work too. This one, you're talking about this one? It might. It's a little shorter. The flowers do go a lot over the edge, but that one might not fit. It's a bit similar to the other one. It'll sort of be a bit pushing it to get that sign on the top, but don't you love them? So you can use my same code for these and get your 10% off there too. Let me just pop that on there as a guide to my little lamb. Even, can you imagine the Jesus holding the lamb on here as well? That would look beautiful too. Making sure I'm in the right frame. Beautiful. Okay. Putting our lamb on here. You can use any background you like. I'm putting this on wood, so just keep in mind you don't want to use colours that are too similar to the transfer or it won't pop and stand out. So again, rubbing that down to transfer it on. And then peeling back our edges here. Whoop. Made a little wrinkle on the end, but we can smooth that out with our fingers or just by laying the transfer back down. There we go. Now our beautiful lilies down the bottom. Oh, this one's peeling back a bit. Just be careful that if you see it peeling back, it means you need to lay that back down and rub it on again. So just a little bit at a time, and then we want a nice clean plastic to show that it's all come off and nothing left to stick down. Now we want to grab our, now I want to use, I'll probably use my smaller brush here, or we could use one of the dome bristle brushes, and I'll use that colour Raw Silk, I think, or we could just do a pure white casement. This is the colour Casement. I think that'll look a nicer tone with the lamb. And using our little brush here, dip it in. Got paint on the brush and we just want to offload that on our piece of cardboard. Now, I want to be careful not to, I'm going to use a piece of cardboard to do this. I want to be careful not to do the word happy just yet because I want to centre that on top of here. Trying to catch your comments, but you guys are too fast sometimes. So let's put Easter in the centre first. Because I'm taking off the bunny, I want to centre happy over Easter. So we'll just put my cardboard on top. You could tape it over if you wanted to. And, oh, what I do need to tape, see this S? It's coming really close to the edge. So sometimes if you see your stencil is coming close to the edge of something, you need to make sure that you just tape down that area gently. I don't want it to stick too much to that transfer. And maybe over here on this R, so that it doesn't, my brush doesn't go swirl and accidentally get a white line right here on this. So we go around here like so. Need to get a bit more paint on my brush. My brush is kind of drying out, so I'll just add a bit more paint on there, swirl it around. And here we go. Oh, now that's added a lot more paint onto the stencil. Might need to pounce a bit because sometimes I can feel, oh, Sharon, you've got too much paint on your brush. So even after all these years of stenciling, I too still make mistakes like putting too much paint on my brush. Usually when I'm kind of in a rush and thinking, I need to hurry. I don't really. Oh, there's that word again. Thanks for your participation. You guys are amazing. It's such a beautiful community right here on Essential Stencils. So if you're brand new to our lives, welcome. We have just such lovely people in the comments and everyone is so nice to each other and helpful, and I love it. That's why I love being an ambassador here with Essential Stencil. Yana says, been there, done that more than once, going off the edge, no need to hurry. Exactly, Erin, that's what I thought. Okay, so now we're going to move our Easter word. We're just going to move the stencil, move it across. And so that, making sure that's dry. So Fusion dries pretty quickly, but if yours is a paint that doesn't dry fast, just give it a little quick air dry. Ramona says I make it look so easy. I try. It is actually pretty easy though, you guys. You've got this. I believe in you. You can do it. Those of you who have never stenciled before, you can do it. Okay, so I'm centering the word happy above, which makes it in line with, there's the R and there's the E on that side. So we've got that. I can just tape that down. Maybe I'll tape up here as well. And then I can use this same piece of card to cover the word Easter. Make sure I don't get that. And we'll grab another bit of paint and do the word happy, stencil the word happy on here, and it's got a cute little flower on top, so happy Easter. And look how quick that was. So we are getting ready to finish up this project, and we will be picking some winners from the comments in a few minutes. In a minute or two. And there we go. There's a project finished. So see how quick and easy that was. I'll show you in a minute. Ooh, we're getting there. Put my brushes aside. Take my taped thing off. And we've got our gorgeous little lamb. Isn't that lamb just adorable? So if you are looking for those, that stencil and the lamb, just use that in the search terms on Essential Stencil, lambs and lilies, and make sure you use my code IRESTORESTUFF and you can save a further 10%. I hope you enjoyed all those ideas tonight using our stencils and transfers. Don't forget the very first project I did right here. Let's see. We've got, I used all three of the things that are in our bundle. Yes, Brenda, you can definitely use chalk paint. So there's the Crown of Thorns stencil we used on both of these projects. Oops, I'm putting that around the wrong way, sorry. Both of these projects, Crown of Thorns. Let me just, hang on. We'll turn me back over to the other screen so you can see, so you can see my face. So we've got the Crown of Thorns and the two sets of transfers. So there's the crosses, which are called floral crosses, I think. Floral crosses. And there's the Jesus and the Lamb. I do love this Jesus walking away. That's just beautiful. I can't wait to use that somewhere. And it's called Worthy is the Lamb transfers. Okay, so there's two transfers and the stencil all in a bundle just for you guys tonight. Well, you can use it tomorrow as well, whenever you like. But don't forget, use my code IRESTORESTUFF and get you 10% off. And we are about to pick some winners. And then someone's going to help me finish my close out my live, because Facebook is doing something where I'm like, I want to end the live, and it's going, no, I'm not going to let you. So we will just pick the winners first, and then we will end our live. So there it is, one beautiful Jesus with the lamb with the crown of thorns behind it. No, in front, behind him. And then this one we did the transfer of the cross behind the stencil. So this one, the transfer is in front of the stencil, this one behind. So you can do two different ways. So we just want to show you two different ways with all those three different items for our bundle. Oh, thank you so much, Roxanne, Shelley, Erin, Gina. Thank you so much, Renee. I will enjoy my fall weather. Thank you so much. The Easter bundle is there, and here are our winners today. Let me just see who they are. Lisa, oop, they just disappeared. I hate it when, okay, maybe they have to pin them. Essential Stencil saying thanks so much for joining us today, but I just missed in the comments, they just go, gone. So I know one of them was Lisa, and the other two people, congratulations, you're our winners tonight on our live. And I'll see you again for another project next week, but take advantage of this bundle here tonight if you want to, and using my code IRESTORESTUFF, would love it if you did that. Thank you so much for all your blue hearts tonight. You guys did amazing, and we will see you next time. Bye.